Hello viewers, welcome to FIT YouTube channel. My name is Fazil Islam. Today I bring a new video for everyone uh, spy suppression system devices connection and how to connect. Before that, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and right side there have one bell icon. Please click the bell icon. So viewers, if you are working in long time fire suppression system but if you do not understand the devices connection, so please watch this full video, then you can get knowledge about this device termination. So let's go viewers. First we'll start it. Hello viewers, welcome to FIT YouTube channel. My name is Fazil Islam. Today I bring a new video for everyone uh, spy suppression system devices connection and how to connect. Before that, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and right side there have one bell icon. Please click the bell icon. So viewers, if you are working in long time fire suppression system but if you do not understand the devices connection, so please watch this full video, then you can get knowledge about this device termination. So let's go viewers. First we'll start it. Some devices I connection already, then I explain to you how to connect this wire, where you should connect. Suppose those people are working in fire suppression system, they know this. What is this? This is the abort switch and hold switch. Someone say hold switch. Fire suppression system abort switch, push and hold switch. This is the press hold switch. So this abort switch is we are using for only shield panel. Only shield panel. You see there have only shield. Okay, not for FIKE. FIKE is different abort switch. So let's go. We'll start. See backside there have two option. One is red and one is blue. How do you connect? There have one. There have numbering. Number one, number two, number three, and number four. Okay, you can see here. Number one is here. Okay, number two, number three, and number four. So here you connect this one. We know all abort switch one cable came from panel. So this cable we have one cable, two wire. One is plus, one is minus. That means negative and positive. So in number one you have to connect it positive cable. This one number one. Okay, and number four, 1 and 4 you have to connect these two wire. Okay, not connect here to here. Okay, should be 1 and 4 connection for abort switch shield panel. Okay, shield abort switch number 1 and 4. Okay, and then resistance also, end of line resistance you have to put 1 and 4. Okay, this is the procedure termination of this abort switch. So another one is manual relay switch. Manual relay switch, we have one cover plate. Okay, you see this cover plate, fire suppression manual relays, full cliff and push bottom. Already they have write everything, and inside this packet we have switch bottom. So now I show you how to connect with this copper plate and wire termination. First we remove this cover. Sorry, this video actually I make in our store, another project. That's why you see the back side of wall, because of inside container. So I show you, I remove the plastic. Okay, then you see there have one lock, and this one same like this. Just remove this key. There have one lock. Press this lock, turn another side, remove this one, is make separate. Okay, there have another lock. Just remove this lock. See, we remove this lock. okay, and keep it downside, and we take this cover. You can see there have one right top. Just check there have top. We'll put here same like this, and you see this is small lock. There have one lock option. See covered lock option. We just make lock, and we make tight with this lock like this. Okay, this one is setting already. Then back side of wire termination options. See there have right top option, and there also top. Just make, see, like this. Then make lock. There have one pin lock, okay. And then we have another lock. Just put here above this lock. See, and then one more thing, we have block for this manual relays, because if you do not put here lock, if someone came and just touch here, it will activate and gas will be discharged. That's why we need to safety pin. We make how do you lock, make safety pin here, see, like this. Then we have another lock option. There are hole. See, make lock like this. Then class. Then if you try to press, you cannot press without remove this pin. And then this manual release, how do you connect wire? There have two options only, number 3 and number 4. Number 3 and number 4. Number 3 you connect flash cable, and number 4 you connect minus cable. So foot resistance also together, plus and minus, okay, end of line resistance. So this is the procedure of manual release. And another one, what else? Shield panel, shield device, smoke detector, okay. Shield, see which one we are using for shield panel. This is the device shields, okay. This base, how do you termination, I will explain to you right now. So viewers, see, in this base we have suppose this cable coming from panel, okay. This first one, there have plus and minus cable. Plus cable you have to connect in line 1 in. Line 1 in, we have line 1 in option. Line 1 in option, and minus cable connect in line 2. Okay, this is main cable, which one coming from panel. And outgoing cable, if you have another device, another smoke detector, so how do you connect another detector? Suppose see we make another device, smoke detector. So this cable where you connect line 1 out, you connect plus cable, which one going to another devices, another smoke detector, okay. Line 1 out cable is plus cable connection, and line 2 minus cable connection, okay. And then there have one earth option near this minus cable, earth option, all earth cable are connected here, okay. And then last one, last device is end of line. How do you connect end of line? See, same like this, line 1 in, see, line 1 in we connect plus cable, and line 2 we can connect minus cable. So this one is last devices. How we need to put here resistance, end of line resistance. Where you connect end of line resistance, so many people doesn't know. So please see this line 2, there have two option. Put here resistance, okay, and from here to line 1 out, line 1 out, line 2 and line 1 out, put resistance end of line. Okay, this is the procedure of a smoke detector. See, okay, and then another one is loop. You have to connect same like this. This one is line 2. Okay, and then this is the device for this base shield panel. We are using this device, smoke detector. Just this shield panel already panel termination and then relay connection. I uploaded one video. This is the last option for shield panel. Okay, and then close this one same like this. Okay, this is the procedure of smoke detector. And then what else? Horn strobe. This horn strobe actually 400 RR. Okay, we are using it for shield panel fire suppression system. They have deep switch. Deep switch is here. You can change sound whatever you need, which type you want to, which type you need to sound. Then you can adjust here. You need to off the sound, then you can off from here. They have on off switch. When you are going to install and finish install, you have to, before install, you have to check the switch on off option. If you have off position, you have to turn on position. And this is the base of this horn strobe. Like this we fix. First you fix this cover, then wire termination. Okay, see there have one plus and two minus cable. Plus minus, you know this cable is plus minus. Plus cable connecting plus option and minus cable connecting minus option, and then the distance also same like this. And then fix same like this. There are seat off. There already have dimension is off. Then you have to fix here same like this. Then class. This is the horn strobe connection. And then alarm bell. And then alarm bell. This is the alarm bell. Okay, there have only, this is very simple alarm bell, 2 wire, connect plus and minus cable in panel wire, which cable coming from panel, and put resistance also. That is the procedure of alarm bell. So viewers, now we will show you the illumination light, how to connect. So viewers, now we will start evacuate now and get discharge, and do not enter. Both are same lights, but size is different, and there have, this is the evacuate now, get discharge with this box, same like this we fix. Okay, so first what you will do, remove, there have 2 screw. Remove this 2 screw. Then inside there have one motherboard. Just remove this motherboard. See there have one another option. Okay. Just remove this one from here, center, and then if you need make hole, there have already open lock nut is 20 mm. If you need 24 mm hole, just remove this motherboard. First remove this one from center and remove this motherboard. They have a screw and make hole and fix again same like this. But they have one 2 option, one for inlet and one for outlet. You see this inlet and outlet, they have common normally open and normally close. Okay, no sorry, not common and level 1 and level 2. So you have to connect in common plus cable and level 1 minus cable. Okay, and if you have another option like a harness strobe or evacuate now another light, so you have to connect here another same like this, common plus and then level 1. Okay, for loop cable. This is the procedure of evacuate now, and do not enter also same termination, both are same inside this LED light. So when only box size is different, that's why I don't want to show again this do not enter. So now I show you fire flow generator, one fire flow generator, how to install and how to setting this. So viewers, this is the fire flow generator. Okay, 200S. This is the 200S. Discharge outlet is downside, not side. So how do you install this generator, fire flow generator? So first thing, with this generator we have support, two support, and then two screw and one check nut, lock nut is there. So first what we will do, you see this one we fix same like this here. Okay, make lock, then this one can make drill on the fix this on the on the wall, and then connect here like this. Two screw, okay, two screw with this generator to support, and this support fix on this wall like this, okay. See, this support fix on the wall. Then this generator, how do you terminate? You see there have one big socket is here. Just remove this one. There have one copper plate. Remove this copper plate. Inside there have a cable. Just remove this cable. Okay. Just remove this cable and put inside here. See, put inside here and make lock this one, and put here flexible adapter here. Then from here to your device box. This is the procedure of S200 fire flow generator. Now we are showing you another one. Can you give me generator on the fire flow? 3000S, right? Now I show you 3000S generator, fire flow generator. This is different type. That's why we need to show you this generator also. This is way too much weight. This is the support for this 3000 generator. Okay, there are the lock system, there have hole, this hole for angle, maybe suppose you need 245. So I show you, this is the generator 3000. Discharge outlet is here. It's too much heavy. See? It's too much heavy. So when you are going to install, be careful. This is a support for this generator. Just fix on this wall, same like this. But you have to check this lock. It should be upside. Okay, make lock like this. Then generator also. See, make lock. Okay, here. And then for wire termination, where you connect wire, see there have one socket is here. Remove this socket. Inside this socket have cable. See cable. Just connect with this cable. Which one came from coming from panel? Sequential activator. Just this is the procedure of fire flow generator. So viewers, this fire flow generator and aerosol generator, basically we are using with the shield panel. So that's why I make lot of video for shield panel, also panel termination, and additional relay termination, device termination, how to install each and everything for shield panel. I uploaded all kind of video. So if you do not understand this sequence of operation, also if you do not understand anything, if you are new watch my video, even you don't have idea for this fire protection system, please watch full video, all fire shield panels, all devices connection, then you can get more knowledge, then you can try to apply any fire protection company for your job. Thank you for watching video.